Hi, I'm Lisa and I live in Roswell, and I would be extremely likely to recommend Driveway Pros for any driveway project. They were extremely polite, professional, and the experience from start to finish was very positive. The crews were highly trained, and the workmanship, the craftsmanship at the end, the result was more than we expected, and we are extremely pleased.
So I got a list of three names, and I called Driveway Pros first. Talked to David. David Googled me and looked at our house online and said, "Okay, I think I know what you need, and here's your price," which stunned me. And he said, "We're going to be high." I know we are. So I went to the second quote and a third quote, and they all three were within hundreds, not thousands. I like David, and so I called him and I said, "You're in the game." And he came out with one of his people. They measured, and that afternoon he called me. He said, "It's not as much as I thought it was going to be. We're going to charge you less," which was a happy thing. And so I gave him the job, and they showed up when they said they would. They broke it up in one day, hauled it off. Next day they came in, laid gravel and dirt, flattened it. Then they came the third day and formed it, and the fourth day they poured it. And they did an excellent job. We were quite pleased.